piano. I sing with the sing that na very sikat na sing ni Latter Vandross na Dance with My Father. 1, 2, 3, go. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would let me hide and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stars he would carry me, and then I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I play a song that would never ever end, 'cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. And my mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to him. He get me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I play a song that would never ever end, 'cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside my door, and I hear my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too